of hearts when everyone...
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess, and if you are new here, I'd love it if you'd hit that red subscribe button and hang around and become part of my YouTube fam. On this channel we post lots of motivational, organizational cleaning videos, and in this one today we are deep cleaning all my Dyson vacuums. So the two Dyson vacuums that I have are the rollable light multi-floor vacuum, which you can see me emptying here. It's had multiple cleans before, and it's honestly, it was my first Dyson vacuum and I still love it. It is amazing on carpets. It really just gets in there and gets the dirt out. And the other one that I have is the Dyson V7 Motorhead. It is the red one you can see here, and honestly I have no idea what we've done without a stick vacuum all of these years. It is so handy just to whip that bad boy out and clean up any little mess. I honestly love it. In this video it is getting its very first clean, so you can see some nasty dirt coming out of that, and we have used this thing religiously since we got it. Like, oh my gosh, it is the best thing ever. So as you're seeing here, I am just pulling all of the pieces apart that I can or that I can find, and I'm just going to clean every little tiny thing that I can get into and get it done.
But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. My song. When I turn my mojo on, I'm feeling fine, I'm feeling strong. It won't take long when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Watch me use my witchcraft. I'm gonna use my witchcraft.
So between moving out of our rental and having to clean it up, obviously, for a bond clean, and moving into our new home, these vacuums, mainly the rollable, got so used, hence why it looks pretty bad. Normally with Dyson vacuums you clean them once a month, which I usually do, but with everything going on, it was just put on the back burner again, like a lot of other things lately. And because they got used and abused so much for a few months, this is how they were looking. Ugh, that water looks so yummy.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others.
So with the filters and all the individual pieces, all I did was rinse them out or wash them out with lukewarm water as per the instructions. However, with the Rollerballs canister, that I did wash out with some soap. You'll see here in a little bit, because it was pretty bad.
You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like, oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God. My, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Now that everything was fully washed out, it was time to just set it all out to dry. Dyson vacuum filters need 24 hours to dry, a full 24 hours. So what I did, I just left it for the full night this night, and then the full next day, and then the following afternoon I put everything back together, and then we didn't use the vacuums until the next day. But now that was all done, it was time to get in here and pull out all the nasty hair and dust and fluff that got caught around the rollers and in the little catches that are in these motor heads.
Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
Once everything was completely dried out, it was time to put it all back together and put these bad boys back into action.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay 'cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you.
And now that everything is put back together, it is finally time to give this carpet a good clean. This rollerball lightweight vacuum is honestly so good on carpet, and I just love it. However, that is everything from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
We fly around like paper planes, they never know